Hi, this is Sean Washburn from YourExcelTutor.com. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, this video is going to be talking about the filter function. And in this case, we're going to be looking at a table, and we have another video where we'll talk about the table function. And usually that's a best bet to be able to freeze panes and use the filter, and it has all kinds of functionality in there. But if you just want to filter, that's what we're going to talk about here. So we're going to look at this table. We've got this nice table here of animal facts, and just for fun. And so what we're going to do is we want to put a filter across this top row so that we can both filter and sort the data that's in here. So how we're going to do this is, in this case, if this were up against the top, and we'll try this out. So if you hit data, go to the data tab, and there's filter. If we click filter by itself without selecting any rows or anything like that, it's going to try to guess what you're trying to do, and sometimes it'll be right, and maybe you'll save yourself a step. So we're going to try that and just see. So we click it, and in this case it actually did. So it found our table, and it picked the top header, and we're good to go. If it doesn't, like sometimes maybe it'll pick something that's up here or whatever, or you didn't want all these columns picked, what you'll need to do is hand select. So maybe we don't want these numbers in there, so we'll hand select these. We'll come across like this, then we'll hit filter, and that's kind of way you can sort of force it to do what you want. Now once it's selected, everything that's below here up until there's a space, so you see there's a space down here, these things, anything below there, like this stuff at the bottom, is not really going to be a part of this table and the filtering and sorting. So we come in here, what each of these little drop downs that it gives you has a bunch of features. So you can sort A to Z, Z to A. You can actually sort by color, which is really cool. So if you have cells, maybe you use conditional formatting, and you use that to make the cells a certain color, or maybe you just made them a certain color on your own, you can actually sort by that color. And then if you come down here, you can filter by color, you can use text filters, and then if you're coming down, you can actually type something in. So maybe you had a bunch of types of fish, and they all had the word fish in them. You could type in fish and just filter for all the things that had fish. Or you could actually, you could type in the letter C, and you could filter for anything that has the letter C. So it's got a lot of cool features like that. And like I said, if you come in here and you sort, the stuff at the bottom, I think is just going to stay there. It's sort of unmoved. It's not part of this table. But what it did is it grabs everything as a row. So when you sort in here, like these are alphabetical now, it grabbed all the details with it. So like this comment over here, and this thing about the unicorn, will it eat me? Who knows? We really don't know. We don't see unicorns in the wild that often, so I would hope it wouldn't. And then filtering, we showed that. So you can actually hand pick stuff. You could unselect all of them, and then I just want the giraffe, the skunk, and the unicorn, and then you could just have those show up. So what's cool is when you sort, it's not getting rid of anything. It's just reorienting the whole source of data. If you filter, it's a little different because it's actually going to hide things. So what they do is on the left, you'll see these rows turn blue, and that's one way. And also you'll see this little funnel shows up there. Those both show you that like a filter is actually being used right now. So if you're wondering like, oh, where did my data go? Well, that's usually, if you see the blue on the left, you got to find the funnel icon on one of these, and then you come in here and you just say you can just say clear filter, and it'll go back to normal. So really helpful. I love that they have the sort and the filtering in there. It just makes it easy, and that you can do it with colors and all kinds of stuff like that. So take advantage of that anytime you got a table like that. And if you find that you try to apply it and it doesn't work the way you thought, just do some trial and error. If you still have trouble, you reach out on the internet. There's lots of great help out there. So But yeah, great tool. Filter and freeze panes are two that I use all the time. If you found this video helpful, show the love and hit the subscribe button below. For more help with Excel, visit my website at yourexceltutor.com. There you can suggest new video topics as well as connect with me to work more on your own Excel challenges. Thanks so much for spending a few minutes to make yourself more efficient today. Now learn more with these great videos.